Hi Yolanda, this is Ronnie Morris. I am your Honda product specialist here at Tamara Honda, and I just wanted to introduce you to the Passport and show you a few features on the vehicle that you inquired about online. I didn't get a specific color scheme that you were looking for, but I promise you we have all of the inventory that you need here. So here we're going to have the Honda system on the front vehicle, and we're going to also have the LED headlights, all LED both rear and front. We're going to have some breakaway mirrors here. If you come over here, you're going to see that starting on the inside of that EXL model that you inquired about, we're going to have the all leather packaging. You're going to have your Apple CarPlay and your Android Auto that pairs seamlessly with your phone. Yolanda, there are so many features on this vehicle that I can't wait to go over with you. Can't wait for you to drive it and see how you love it. At your earliest convenience, please give me a call back at 205-470-2190. And I can't wait to see you. And when you get to Tamara Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated. Bye.